Hey friends, as you can see, Hank is prepping these 2 nightstands because we are going to be refinishing them for our cabin. I scored these for 20 bucks at an estate sale. I'll also be refinishing this what used to be Vanity into a side table for my mom's wedding venue. So we are just prepping today, ain't that right, Hank?
Jesus, it's raining.
Don't mind our shop, I have other projects back there and garage sale stuff.
Yes.
And cabin storage, so.
Yeah, we're gonna clean this out tomorrow.
We are?
Yeah, aren't we?
No. We need a screwdriver because we need to get these knobs off.
Do you want me to go grab them?
Yes, please.
I love it.
Love you. I wiped out that one, but you can wipe out that one if you'd like.
Okay, I'm gonna get it wet first.
Okay.
I got this.
I love my little assistant.
Here's a flathead.
I see the sun, the stars, the moon.
Okay, I cannot do that. It wiggles my hands too much.
Hank is going around on the sides for
That's
me
mine.
with his very own little sanding tool
I
he
bought this today. I bought this today, but I used to. Nan got me one. Nan got me one of these.
True.
Yeah.
So yeah, he's just getting all the stain off of there.
Sorry, wait, where were you? I was at the outlet.
The outlet?
Sorry.
What'd you get at the outlet?
The outlet.
We needed to get clothes.
I sorry, like I'm over to knock on your door. If you're home, play.
Hey, it's too late to play, honey. Let's wood fill.
The wood fill is like probably dry.
Okay, sanding is coming along nicely. We still have a little bit to do. Obviously, wood fill is not coming along so nicely. We're gonna eat dinner and then go to Lowe's.
Yeah, and then I'm gonna scare the crap out of Dante. Just boy crap.
Just some, don't say that. Just
not
some
even a bad word.
playful neighborhood rivalry between friends.
We're best friends. And he lives like right across the street.
I know, it's
I
awesome.
can give you his address.
June has changed her outfit, what, 5 times today?
Yes, definitely. No, this is my pajamas.
Oh, pajamas, okay. Thank you, honey, for dinner.
Yeah,
Of course, I'd love to eat it.
I love to eat it if
I'm
you're
sitting around.
Dad says no side dish.
Got this wood fill. Yeah, because the old wood fill.
Go snap that. There we go.
Ooh.
Some nice new wood fill. Got these all sealed.
Looks like
It's a
crap.
disaster.
It's crazy.
And this one over here. Oh, I do need to glue this on. I forgot. Okay, I'm going to test some of this dark walnut. Unfortunately, I sanded through the veneer. Bummer. So I'm going to test it out and see how well it covers. If it doesn't cover, I'm going to do a green stripe across here, which was Hank's idea.
So many ways. The telephone when no one's home. I can hear so clearly. I can hear so clearly now. So clearly now. We are the prey.
Okay, all stained and they're looking great. They're a lot more hidden. I'm gonna take a pencil, color it in, and just try and hide it that way. Because I really don't want to paint these, even though it's a good idea, Hank. So now I just need to seal them, but I still need to sand and paint those and stain the legs.
We're the ones who started. We're the ones who made it all. So don't behave when they try to make you, when they try to take your love and break your love.
Got them all taped off on the bottom, primed and sanded. I'm gonna do my first layer of paint.
I see the dog in me, so many lions. How could I eat my only friend?
I mixed plaster of Paris with water and some exterior paint. We'll see how this goes.
Let's see how this goes, she said.
Well, it's like a
Famous
homemade.
last words.
It is a homemade chalk paint, basically.
I can hear you crying. Lord, I am alive. Now I'm lying.
Oh, honey. Oh, hi, my love. Oh. Hi. Oh, sweet pea.
Mama.
Yeah. Yeah. Look at that.
Mama.
Mm-hmm. Oh, painting. Don't touch. Don't touch. Don't see Dada. Can't touch. Don't touch it. Yes. Yeah. See how Mama paints? Take the paint. And roll it on here. Oh, honey. You ready for naps? Mm-hmm.
What?
I love this boy. Oh, kisses.
I am the brave. I'm the one who started. I'm the one who made this song.
Short and approved.
Should I behave when they try to make me? When they try to take my love? Don't break my
You plug that in, Hank?
Thanks for handing that for me.
Yeah, I'm just trying to make it look cool.
She likes chocolate covered strawberries and wine. She likes notes that say I love you all the time. Roses
Like your dad want candy.
baby girl be mine. Yeah, yeah. Pick up your phone, I need your attention. My girl so bad we call her detention. I am so glad we moved beyond friendship. And your mama like me, look, I split up when Cupid told him find me. I stole your love, you shot my heart. I'm losing breath, it's getting dark. I think I might need to be on. Baby, won't you tell me, do you love me like I do? Tell me what you're willing to prove, cause I ain't got nothing to lose. It's true that you mean the world to me, yeah. I travel around the globe, but I know that you're the only girl for me. And I gotta let you know